and time don't reach to begin to talk.
Yes.
To begin to make amends. To begin, if there is something we call restitution, there is something we call, let the Igbo man know what his ancestors did. Let the Kalabari man know what his ancestors did, so that the youth can come together.
But really, the Igbo men, if you come to Abonema here, majority men, women of this community, if not maternal, paternal, mostly in Imo State.
Really?
My grandmother is from Iguta.
Really?
My grandmother from
His grandmother is from Iguta.
For real?
Listen, in Iguta, look at this house upstairs there.
Yeah. Side family.
This upstairs there. This is at Donzeribe's father's house.
Really?
When you live here, that place that you met me, it's our family house. That is the way we are. In Imo State, they have a water side where this big church, Kalabari Beach.
They call it Kalabari.
That is what they call it.
And we have church.
This big church in this church's compound, that big church there.
St. Paul.
They have one there too. St. Paul. Money Cathedral there.
That means
the front of Donzeribe's father's house.
For real?
That is where the church is, and there is a market there.
That means the Kalabari and the Igbo man.
They are like, this is where they are coming to do business now. They drive from, not with vehicle.
Through boats.
With boats, they drive to this place.
With big boat of yam, full of yam.
Yam, pounded, palm oil, fufu, this banga, sugarcane, all this, they sell it here.
Well, I thank God that I'm here today, and I believe my coming here is divine, and because as a youth, my life can be wasted doing flavoratories. I decided that my life would be channeled in building bridge, connecting people, reconstructing. You understand?
Now, Nigerian independence paper, the paper that Queen Elizabeth signed to give Nigeria independence, the paper leaves this community. They come to this community to collect the paper from our chief's hand.
They went together with to London.
Really? Wow, there is big history here, but
sorry, the third place. I may know exactly your mission of coming.
All right, like I said, my name is Chukwemeka. I am an Igbo man from Imo State, and first of all, I call myself a unifier. Also what I call the Unified Igbos non-proponents, because I feel I am responsible for myself, for what I become in the future. Thank you. So why I'm here in Abonema is no other thing than to find out the real story about what happened, why the Abonema people celebrate this annual go to Niger. They celebrate the liberation of Abonema people, of Kalabari people, from the hands of the Biafran forces, and how they embrace the Nigerian forces as the liberator. So I believe people need to hear this. The story needs to go out. Yes, but before, I have something I can present.
Okay.
Thank you. As an Igbo man, I don't know why I didn't come with cola nuts is because I don't know if the Kalabari people do cola like we do. So, but I have a drink. Actually, this is a new drink. It's a root drink.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. In place of cola.
Yes.
I present this envelope.
Long Jack.
Thank you.
So Long Jack, is that part of my father's drink that is production?
Okay, this one. Okay.
No, I know it's sorry. It's very good.
Yes, it's a bigger drink. It's new drink. I mean, in fact, this is the first bottle that is coming to Abonema. This is the first bottle. It is newly
and I bless the drink as well.
So it will help you. You still get a wife. You still get a new wife. So because
I have 11 children. All grown like you.
All right. But then you maybe after this we'll see marry one pino from Igbo land, from Imo State, give you as your retirement, you know, as your retirement benefits, make you feed the massage.
No, even with my age now, I know I am better than some of the.
All right, yes, sir. All right, thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting this little token. Thank you. Okay, so why, like I said, we have our filming equipment. We would want you to grant us your time for an interview, so that we can talk, so that you can really tell us the story.
Okay.
Behind this.
Myself here to explain. I'm Chief Alabo.
Okay, I mean, let him explain that we can on the camera. Yeah.
I'm Chief Alabo Land Use, Henry Land Use Government. That is Henry itself. The stool I'm now occupying.
Okay.
That is my father.
Okay.
And the other house is my grandfather's house.
Okay, wow.
So I'm now representing the late Chief Henry Land Use stool.
Okay.
That is making the second.
I am honored. I am honored to meet you.
So that is that, because I know sometimes the health officers also, when they come, for now I'm the only chief in the compound here.
Okay.
Being the Abonema boss environment.
Okay.
So anyone that comes, they come here, they ask me what I know, I will tell them. What I don't know, so it's about.
Thank you, sir.
But this is not an easy matter. It's a known to every Nigerian now abroad.
Okay.
As it is.
All right.
Before the war itself, I've got my first son. So I know in and out of what happened and what. By the time I left, I know.
Okay.
From the bottom, I know.
Okay, sir. Okay. All right. Let's arrange.
Okay.
Let's find a place that is okay.
Yeah.
So that you can. All right.